I hope must be here.
The key? Okay. Let me open first.
Because I think I put in the bag, and then I
Put the key there.
think we can open the boot from here.
You gotta open because the alarm is on.
No, there is not an alarm.
No? Okay. It's no slash for open the...
I don't know. I'm with this car just.
You see?
Good price, please. I'm gonna lose all my day here.
80. Ooh.
80.
80 bucks. Yes.
Best price. So, and 40 is better. Like, oh, 42. Like.
You can pay the rest for the car. It's fine.
Thank you very much, mate.
You're welcome.
And how is going YouTube?
It's TikTok.
It's TikTok.
Yes.
Good. Congratulations, mate.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.